Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about the Bioderma Sensibio range, as you have already got from the video title. Now let me just start off with the fact that they have sent me these 3 products for review, and this will be entirely my honest opinion.
And the first product was the Bioderma Micellar Water, the second one was the Sensibio Gel Mousse, and the third one was the toner, which I couldn't review because I could only insert 2 products at a time in my skincare routine, and this is completely non-sponsored.
Well, let me start with the star product, and this is my absolute favorite, and that is the Sensibio Gel Mousse. So this is a face wash. This is meant for sensitive skin. It is non-fragrance. It has all the soothing cleansing agents. It doesn't have SLS or SLES. In fact, it has cocoa amphoacetate, sodium lauryl sarcosinate, and it has cocoa glucoside. So these are very soothing for sensitive skin. So it is meant for sensitive skin, and incidentally I was having a bout of sensitive reaction on my skin because I had used some exfoliating acids on my skin. Generally, all the gentle cleansers in the market, they are not able to remove mineral sunscreens, and as my skin was having those sensitive flare-ups, I was using a mineral sunscreen, and that's why I needed a cleanser which could remove the sunscreen and the dirt and pollutants from my skin, and at the same time it won't be stripping. And moreover, I wanted to stick to a single cleanser for that time, not double cleansing. So this is the one which suits all those criteria.
You're a pretty little Bobby playing every time I got you. You do. Girl, you hold me on so softly, and you feed me, and you watch me. You do. Babe, you keep me in your pocket with your keys and with your wallet. You do. Girl, you pressing all my buttons, you be turning to me on, yeah, you do. I like the way it feels to be. Pretty little Bobby playing with me, Tamagotchi, you do.
I absolutely love it. I absolutely recommend this. If you have a sensitive skin and if you don't like double cleansing, go for this face wash. It is one of the best products which I have got. So I am sure you will see me repurchasing it, and I will post those stories on Instagram.
I've been using this for almost 2 weeks, and I have been using for twice a day, and you could see the amount of face wash I have used up. So considering that, I think it will go for at least a month.
The thing which I love about this face wash is the affordability. So it is easily available in That was a non-sponsored review. The second product which I have is the Sensibio H2O. Now I am not generally a big fan of micellar water. One was very soothing, and if you are using makeup, then obviously you can go for this on a daily basis. If you use makeup, I generally tend to use it whenever I do some eye makeup because it is non-irritating. It doesn't irritate the eyes at all. I have tried and tested it.
It was readily able to remove all waterproof makeup like eyeliners and kajal and everything. I did test it out, and it worked pretty well without stripping.
Doesn't leave the face dry at all, so that is what I absolutely love about this. They do advertise it as a leave-on product, but I will absolutely ask you to wash your face after using this one with some other cleanser or maybe water, because I don't want you to leave on this product just on your skin. Now this is a cult favorite. This has multiple reviews already on the internet, and I think many of you are already using this. So yeah, this is a good one if you have a sensitive skin, and if you're using makeup, I think you can definitely check this out. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have stayed until this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, you could follow me over Instagram. I will leave those handles in the description box below for your reference. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.